in the shambles. Sometimes it's the hate that rains on me sometimes, and the hate takes over sometimes, and it just rains on me. The hate takes over sometimes, and then it just rains on me. I gotta stop letting hate take over. I gotta stop letting hate take over. Jesus, stand by me, you mine, why me? Your blood is my badge to the gate that I and still I need more of your humility. See, I claim you got everything till things get deep. That's the hate within me raining on me at times, failing to connect to the positive side. That's the love you already placed inside this Lucifer, the carnivore acting flesh of mine. That's weak when it feels the elevation that I seek. I'm rash out my mouth, shambles, lose my peace. The windows of heaven stop shipment of blessings I'm sipping. The wrong water in some areas, and yet I hope for the connection to calm the storm, to go on to higher ground and faith to stand on. I hold on to you, your hand on my shoulder, confident me while I'm standing in your other palm. The hate that is within me sometimes is the hate that rains on me sometimes. Hate take over sometimes, and then it just rains on me. I gotta stop letting hate take over. I gotta stop letting hate take over. The hate that is within me sometimes is the hate that rains on me sometimes. Went from drinking Coke 45 and sipping Miller Lite, high life to spitting 48 bars of fine night. Heard a preacher say, wretched man, thought about that's my life. Don't know how many days is left in my life. Body and verses help to kill Satan curses. I'm gonna be one of the rehearsing this, and if they thirst and I call, I'ma give them that. Faith come by hearing, may it birth them that stay in God fearing. Thank him first for that, cause a clear conscience is the place where repentance at. From start to finish, I'm a born sinner. Downfalls endless, my flaws in me stick like thorns relentlessly. Until I change, I remain trying to change God's grace while I seek forgiveness unashamed. The hate that is within me sometimes is the hate that rains on me. The hate takes over sometimes, and then it just rains on me. I gotta stop letting hate take over. I gotta stop letting hate take over. Cause the hate that is within me sometimes is the hate that rains on me sometimes. Satan love when I slip up and trip up, and my reputation start to rip up, and my motivation start to give up. Cause my idea living holy, I ain't living up, and then hate raining on me. Non-believers who need excuses shame me. They see the word of God as useless and blame me. They point fingers and diss me to slay me and play me, but the truth is the Lord forgives, and his blood is the only thing to wash my sins. I ain't perfect on my best day, and all the days I woke up was blessed days. Cause I wanna be saved, so my life just a testimony. If not only passing a felon and test if I'm phony. It takes faith to better shape me and mold me, to stay encouraged when it's hate raining on me. The hate that is within me sometimes, the hate that rains on me sometimes. The hate takes over sometimes, and then it just rains on me. I gotta stop letting hate take over. I gotta stop letting hate take over. The hate that is within me sometimes is the hate that rains on me sometimes. Yeah, the hate takes over sometimes, and then it just rains on me. I gotta stop letting hate take over. I gotta stop letting hate take over. Hate that is within me sometimes is the hate that rains on me sometimes. Hate takes over sometimes, and then it just rains on me. I gotta stop letting hate take over. I gotta stop letting hate take over. The hate that is within me is the hate that rains on me sometimes.